Oh, hi guys! Welcome to Alicia Time again. Today I'm going to make Cocoa Pops crackers. So let's tell what we have. I got butter, chocolate, and last one, Cocoa Pops. That's what we're going to make today. So first up, we're going to get some butter. We get this spoon, give it. Into go. And next, my delicious favorite candy chocolate. Pour it all in. Now we're going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Now it's all melted. After the microwave, now we have to do this. Mix it. It smells so good. Wow. Now we have to mix it. Now we have to mix it well together. 1, 2. Now it's all ready, we can put it into the cups. Now we put it in. So they look like Cocoa Pops. Put this in here. Chicken, here we come. And then we put another one in. That's not enough. And then put this one in. Yuck, so delicious! Here we go.
3.
Now it's finished. Now we're going to put it into the fridge for 1 hour. Let's do it. Gotta put it for 1 hour. Close it, and now we just have to wait. Now it's ready. Looks so yummy, right guys? Gotta eat it now. Ooh, it tastes like chocolate. I love it. Guys, please like and subscribe. See you in the